making my first kayaking experience.
1,620 nautical miles together in different conditions. It was rough sea, it was snowy, it was windy, it was foggy. So we discovered new continent. I hope the main part of you now it's plus this discover the Antarctica for yourself. So now all of you my colleagues. I'm glad to hear and see the smiles on your faces, and it means you are happy with our cruises. So we are near arrival. Unfortunately, of course, we would like to extend this trip as much as possible, but tomorrow we will arrive to Ushuaia. I wish you the safe flights to the home. I wish you the everything best in the world, and hope I will see some of you once again on board of my vessel. And thank you for choosing Oceanwide. Thank you for all of you.